What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, man. Look, I'm about to get my hair done and everything. You know what I'm saying? You know how that go. But other than that, I'm about to go give you some cinematics of my dirty Camaro because I don't have nothing else to do. Alright, y'all. Beautiful day. I'm just trying to see what the stabilizer look like. You feel me? So y'all enjoy these cinematics. Never mind, I got somebody I don't like, don't know. But anyways, y'all, man, just excuse my hair, bro. Excuse my hair. It's about to be done. Don't worry. Oh. Alright, enjoy these cinematics of whatever this is right here.
Looks like you lost another one.
Y'all let me know what y'all think. Probably look stupid, but fuck it. Well, they got pimple. Ooh. If y'all ain't know, this is my best friend. We're gonna be doing a lot of videos and pranks together and stuff like that. She cooking right now. About to burn the house down. About to burn the house down. But look, I ain't even posted a pizza video yet. You still gotta send me all those videos. It's also time to feed my baby girl, my snake, my pet snake son. So y'all be ready for that. Cinematic. It's gonna be a full cinematic video because I'm trying to get used to using this mobile stabilizer. My snake is really small. Y'all don't judge me, but I will get a better setup for my snake. I promise. After I move into the next place, so. So, baby girl probably not hungry right now. I'm about to go to Petco after I get my hair done and see if I can get smaller mice. That might be the problem, because she ate the smaller ones. I tried the other side, see if she'll get a bigger one, and I don't think she is. They usually go by like the size of the stomach of the snake. And my baby ain't big enough yet, so catch y'all whenever I catch y'all. Boom coronavirus. I'm staying 6 feet from everybody. I'm staying 6 feet. Hell no. You ain't 6 feet. Nah, that's you. You walked up to me. Look, he trying to kill me, y'all. That's attempted murder. Hey, some of these trucks are actually cool, you know? God damn. Check them out. That's not Gage, that's Pookie. That's Pookie. Oh.
You my nigga now. Fuck that. Yeah.
Boy, yeah. Hey, I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Hey, I don't know if you want your shit right there. He about to do a donut, son. Right here, he said. Just pull it up right here a little bit.
Hey, show that bitch off.
Hey, shit, we gonna have to see you, son. Hey, we gonna have to see you, bro.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that nigga shit crushing.
He about to do a donut, son. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I like it! Oh, that nigga crazy. Oh my God, boy. Damn. Damn. Do I have to explain? Do I have to explain? One day I'll learn. But it ain't gonna be today, bitch. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Man, look. I met a lot of y'all last night. It was crazy. I didn't know so many people actually watch my videos, but I also noticed that a lot of y'all ain't subscribed and y'all watch my videos, or a lot of y'all just don't see every single video because there was a lot of people. There was a lot of people that I met that I didn't even know mess with me. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, we're just gonna continue to grow, and I feel it, I see it, it's there. Man, look, I love the support. Thank y'all for the support. And I'm trying my best to stay out of trouble right now. I'm trying my best to not do stupid stuff like I used to. And, you know, like fighting and all that stupid stuff. I'm trying to stay away from all of that because I actually feel like I got something to work towards and I got stuff to look forward to. I got, you know what I'm saying, I got kids that I gotta be there for and stuff like that. Man, look,
Looks like you lost another one.
I'm happy, bro. I'm having fun. So thank y'all, first of all, for the support. It's crazy. It's more than what I thought I'd get, for real. Secondly, let me know what y'all think about the cinematics. Let me know what y'all think about that, because obviously I was joking around. I wasn't trying that hard. You can still see a little bit of movement, but I only did that to where y'all can get an idea of what I would do to cars or at car shows or truck shows, whatever y'all want to see. So let me know if y'all want me to continue the cinematics. I could try a lot harder if y'all want me to see that. So like I said, anything y'all want to see, let me know. Your boy gonna do it. Your boy gonna do it. I'm having fun, bro. I just want to have more and more fun with this. So, like I was saying, the support has been unreal, and I appreciate that. I appreciate all of y'all. What's so funny, bro? Why she? I appreciate all y'all. Man, look, just y'all been. Oh, and on Snapchat, y'all always tell me what y'all want to see and give me ideas, man. I love that. Keep that up, bro. Keep that up. That's what I want to know. I got a lot of ideas now. I got a lot of stuff that I want to do. I got videos in the gun that I ain't post yet. Man, I got a lot, bro. I got a lot coming. Me and my boy is supposed to be going to New Orleans soon and tandem, man. It's gonna be crazy. He has a new Chevy SS. I say new, you know what I mean, like the Chevy SS, like the Malibu. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, because Nasty Game, we're going to the top, baby.
It looks like you lost another one.